Arunkumar Thangjam was born to late Thangjam Birachandra Singh and Thangjam Ongbi Maipakpi Devi on 14 September 1967 as the youngest among the 10 siblings born in the family. He did his schooling from Tiny Tots Unique School and completed his HSLC Class 10 in the year 1983. He passed his PUC from D.M College, Imphal, completed his graduation from Christ College, Bangalore in the year 1988-89. Further, he studied law and received his LLB degree from Indian Law Society, ILS Pune in the year 1991-92. He was the first secretary of the Bangalore Manipuri Students Association during his stint in Bangalore. He also served as the General Secretary of the Manipuri Students Association Pune, MSAP in the year 1991-92. Shri Arunkumar Thangjam is the 10th last child of the Thangjam family. The other 9 are late Thangjam Praffulo, Dr. Thangjam Nabachandra Singh, Thangjam Ningol Lata Devi, Thangjam Shyamo Singh, Dr. Thangjam Dhabali Singh, Thangjam Ningol Pramodini Devi, Thangjam Joykumar Singh, Thangjam Brojan Singh and Thangjam Ningol Pramodini Devi. Personal life. Shri Arunkumar Thangjam is happily married to Srimati Irengbam Ningol Purnimashi Devi in the year 1994. They are blessed with 3 children, namely Loyalembi Thangjam, Thangjam Abotoy and Thangjam Sanarik. Profession and career. Shri Arunkumar Thangjam, after completing his law degree, started practicing law under late N. Surjamani Singh, a renowned senior lawyer, for around 2 years. However, his ambition of becoming a lawyer was not achieved as N. Surjamani Singh was appointed judge of the Guwahati High Court and he was compelled to close down his chamber. He discontinued practicing law and looked for other options for a living. After discontinuing practicing of law, Shri Arunkumar set out to start a new career. It was at this point that one of his elder brother was getting married and he was entrusted to manage the marriage ceremony. One day, he went to hire some stuff for his brother's wedding from 10 houses. However, after visiting almost all the shops' tent house, he learned that there was no single tent house who can provide all the required materials for any kind of event. This incident of unavailability of materials and shortage of established tent house in the state of Manipur made him think of running a genuine tent house. He, after many discussions with his elders, decided to open a tent house under the name and style of Arun Enterprises. With a meager budget of rupees 10,000, he started his business of tent house in the year 1995. Since then, he did not look back. His dedication and hard work today made his firm Arun Enterprises one of the most reliable and leading tent houses of the state. He directly and indirectly employs around 300 staffs as on today. Interest in games and sports. Shri Arunkumar Thangjam also is a sports enthusiast. He is the president of NEROCA FC, a premier football club of Manipur. He has served the club in different capacities since a long time. He was manager, secretary and treasurer of the club. In fact, it is in his tenure as manager that NEROCA FC entered I-League and Durand Cup for the first time. NEROCA FC was HS runners-up in both the tournaments. He is currently involved as President of NEROCA FC, Working President All Manipur Mukna Association, President MANIWOOD Club, Patron Member All Manipur Power Lifting Association, Life Member Imphal East District Football Association, Executive Member Manipur Olympic Association, Life Member All Manipur Taekwondo Association, Life Member All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking Association. Social activities. He is one of the founding members of Royal Riders, Manipur. He was the president of Rotary Club Apollo City and the past assistant governor of District 3240. He is also an advisor of SARGAM music band, founding member of Meitei Leepun.